Every great restaurant is built on someone's exhaustion. And it always starts in the same place, the back of the kitchen where nobody sees you. Your first job has a title, and that title is dishwasher. $12 an hour to scrub burnt pans for 10 hours straight, hands raw, apron soaked, while the cooks scream over you. You haul crates, mop floors, take out trash at midnight. Nobody learns your name for months. Most people quit here, and the ones who stay do it because they can see the line from where they're standing. Then one day they hand you a white jacket. You're a prep cook now. 20 pounds of onions, and they want them diced perfectly, and they want them done 20 minutes ago. Your knife work has to become fast, then faster, then flawless. And the first time you cut yourself, nobody stops. You wrap it and you keep going. That's the culture. Prep cooks make around $15 an hour, and they earn every cent of it standing in the same spot for 12 hours. Then comes the moment everything changes. They put you on the line. The burners in front of you are alive, blue flame roaring, and the tickets start coming. 6 pans at once. Flames leaping. Every plate has to leave perfect, and it has to leave now. And when the Saturday night rush hits, the tickets stack into a wall in front of your face and time disappears. You grab a hot handle without thinking and the burn is instant. You'll carry that scar for years, like every cook does. The head chef screams at you across the pass because your plate was 10 seconds late, and 10 seconds is the difference between a hot dish and a ruined one. But slowly you get faster. You learn to plate with tweezers, obsessing over millimeters, because in this kitchen the plate is the signature. And when a plate comes back from the dining room, sent back, it's the worst feeling in the world. Then service ends. 2 in the morning. Kitchen empty. You lean against cold steel with your whole body aching, and somehow you'll be back in 9 hours. Line cooks make around $18 to $22 an hour, the hardest job in the building for the smallest paycheck. The nervous kid scrubbing pans doesn't exist anymore. Now you're the one moving fast and controlled across 3 stations at once. And when they promote you, you become the sous chef, the second in command. Now you're not just cooking. You're running the line, checking every plate before it leaves, ordering the food, managing the people. When a pan erupts into flames on the line, everyone looks at you, and you put it out without raising your voice. You teach the new cooks the way someone once taught you. A sous chef earns around $60,000 to $70,000 a year, and for the first time the money starts making sense. Then the whole kitchen becomes yours. Head chef, you stand at the pass, and nothing leaves this kitchen without your eyes on it. During service you're the loudest voice in the room, calling the fire, driving the pace, holding 15 people together. And in the quiet hours you do the thing you actually love. You create new dishes tasted 100 times, changed 100 times. But when a critic sits in your dining room, you feel it in your stomach. Your entire reputation is on one plate. And when the review comes back great, the whole brigade celebrates like they won something, because they did. Head chefs earn $75,000 to $100,000 a year. But nobody tells you what it costs. 2 in the morning, alone in a dark kitchen, too tired to move. Missed calls from people who stopped expecting you to answer. Birthdays, holidays, weekends, all of it belongs to the restaurant. This industry eats people alive, and everyone in it knows. Push higher and you become the executive chef. Now you barely cook. You run menus, food costs, labor, suppliers, a business with knives. You lead the whole brigade before service, and every dish that carries your name gets tasted and approved by you first. Executive chefs at strong restaurants clear $120,000 to $180,000 a year. And then some make the jump that terrifies almost everyone. You stand in an empty space with a set of keys and a dream that could ruin you. Because now it's your money. The loans, the lease, the equipment, the payroll, you sign for all of it, knowing most restaurants fail in the first few years. But on opening night, when the lights come on and the room fills, there's nothing like it. You run your own kitchen through the chaos. You walk your own dining room and shake hands with the people eating your food. And when the inspector or the critic shows up, everything you own is riding on it. When the awards come, you're not just a cook anymore, you're a name. Then the line outside your door doesn't stop. 1 restaurant becomes 2. 2 becomes a group. You trade the jacket for a blazer, and now you're managing chefs instead of stations, reviewing numbers instead of tickets. Some end up on television, cooking for millions instead of 40 covers a night. Successful restaurant owners clear 250 to 500,000 a year, and the biggest names in the industry earn millions from restaurants, shows, and brands. But walk into any of their kitchens, and you'll still find a kid in the back scrubbing pans, invisible, exactly where they started. Dishwasher, prep cook, line cook,
Sous chef.
head chef, owner. From $12 an hour to $500,000 a year, paid for in burns, scars, and every holiday you missed. Being a chef asks more than almost any job on earth, because the world only ever sees the plate. Which level surprised you the most? Comment below, subscribe, and join us for the next episode of Every Level.